Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your AT&T All-Fi Hub. Now, first I want you to just go ahead and open up your Smart Home Manager app by AT&T. You can download this on your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and then I want you to sign it with your user ID and password, okay? And once you've signed in, you can go ahead and set up your equipment with the Smart Home Manager. So tap on Set Up Equipment, and you can either go ahead and scan the QR code on your new equipment, or you can tap here on the QR code won't work, and then you can just go ahead and find the barcode, right? So you just try scanning this, or you can enter the barcode, which is basically the serial number, and you just enter this right here and tap on next, right? There you go. Or of course you can scan the QR code, then you can begin it to set up. So you register your service and you go to your terms of service and just accept everything. And all you need to do is set everything up. As you can see, the network is offline. You click on get started and just proceed with the steps, okay, that they will guide you with. Just do as they tell you. As you can see right here, make sure you place your wireless hub, click on got it, and just follow the on-screen instructions. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.